Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Are you curious about using ChatGPT on your iPhone? Let me walk you through the easy steps to get started with ChatGPT right on your iPhone. Unlock your iPhone and head over to your favorite web browser. In the address bar, type chat.openai.com and hit enter. This will take you to ChatGPT website. If you already have an account or signed in earlier, it will bring you right into the chat bar or give you an option to log in or sign up. Follow the prompt to complete the registration. Once logged in, you will see a text box at the bottom of the screen. Simply type your question or message and hit the send button. ChatGPT will respond shortly. As much as the website works fine, there is an even smoother way to experience it at its peak. You can download the ChatGPT app from the App Store. Search for ChatGPT by OpenAI, download it and log in with your account details. And there you have it guys, you successfully learned how to use ChatGPT on your iPhone. It's a powerful tool for getting answers, advice or having a full conversation. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe for more quick tips, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.